How important is it to ensure the quality of stored pharmaceuticals? Temperature uniformity. HYC Biomedical all-new generation pharmacy refrigerator, ensuring the activity of high-value pharmaceuticals. A groundbreaking technology breakthrough. Upon the 50-point real-time temperature test, which far exceeds the industry standard, the temperature uniformity reaches ±1 degree Celsius, entering an area of whole space uniform temperature for pharmacy refrigerators. 3 innovative technologies ensure scientific airflow and accurate temperature control. 1. Vertical air supply. A finned evaporator combined with triple fans generates vertical air supply, just like waterfall, for an efficient and uniform air supply. 2. Counterflow circulation air suction. Overcoming the gravity of cold air flow, scientific airflow through counterflow circulation air suction that circulates against the cold air flow is built to ensure temperature uniformity. 3. Laminar flow air blowing. Through precise calculation and strict experiments, 8 core air outlets are determined for laminar airflow to enable whole space airflow. In full response to the double carbon policy, the energy consumption of the product is reduced by 60% compared to similar size of HYC Biomedical. Innovative, intelligent sensing anti-condensation technology. Instead of the electric heating mode, the product uses a combination of 3-layer tempered glass filled with inert gas and low E to minimize condensation risk effectively. Energy saving. Designed with hydrocarbon-efficient frequency conversion compressor, the product consumes less energy while producing the same cooling capacity. In addition, the newly upgraded 3-dimensional heat dissipation helps to form an enclosed space and orderly heat dissipation ducts, highly efficient and energy saving. The 7-inch intelligent touch screen enables users to have a better, intelligent and smooth interactive experience, integrating a variety of unlocking modes including face identification, fingerprint identification and NFC intelligent control. The equipment is easy and convenient to unlock. Soft and bright light sources make the whole space visible. DIY dividers. The DIY dividers allow free zoning for flexible storage and facilitate the search with universal label holders. If the opening angle is greater than 90 degrees, the door will hover. In case of less than 90 degrees, the door will self-close, safe and worry-free. The exquisite craftsmanship comes from persistent improvement in both quality and experience. Screw-free design in the primary vision area, combined with the metal textured handle, makes the refrigerator exquisite in all details within sight. HYC Biomedical all-new generation pharmacy refrigerator protects the activity of high-value pharmaceuticals and enters an area of whole space uniform temperature.